I don't know if in this country there is a prophet greater than me. I am not boasting. And may God forgive me if that is a sign of boasting. I don't know if in this country, in Africa, if you have a prophet like me, maybe another one will come. But in this time when I leave, you don't have one. Go and run after them, look for them. Go and look for them and tell me the one you find. Maybe you have one. You accept what they tell you. Those of who believe others, you have a problem. I'm telling you the truth. You will know this when I'm gone.